Hey, we're the Hiltons. We live in Metro Atlanta, Northeast Georgia. Definitely in Georgia.
My name is Nhi.
I'm Austin.
I'm almost 26.
I'm almost 29. This is our child. He's a boy. He's almost 8 months.
This is Thor. We also have another dog, Loki, and a puppy, Groot.
He's right here. You can't see him because he's still a puppy. We live in Northeast Atlanta. Yeah, I know. It's an interesting place. I moved down here from Rochester, New York, February of 2019. Moved down here for a job. I'm a police officer. I come from a law enforcement family.
I went to Georgia State University in Atlanta, Georgia, and I got a bachelor's degree in criminal justice law. And I started off as a probation officer, and now I am just a stay-at-home mom for the time being. I plan on going to grad school at the University of Georgia. I chose criminal justice law because I originally wanted to become an attorney, but with him, there's no way I can go to law school. So I decided to just get my master's for now, and hopefully when he's older, I'll go to law school. So I was a probation officer, but because of COVID, half the company got laid off. So I was laid off, and now I'm currently getting unemployment with COVID relief. So my monthly income is roughly $2,400, give or take.
Mine is about $2,400, and that is like take home. That's after I throw an extra $100 every paycheck into a separate savings account in a separate bank. That's after I put $25 into an HSA account, a health savings account set up through my work. That's after my retirement. So I put 5% into a 401k, as well as another 2.5% into a Roth IRA. My department matches 8% of that. Initially, they'll match, I think it's 7% that'll go into that 401k. But since I put an additional 2.5% into the Roth, they are throwing another 1% for a total of 8% into my 401k. My debt, not including the house, just my individual debt, will be my car is roughly $15,000. My school is roughly $15,000, and then I have a monthly $40 phone.
My overall debt is just my student loans, which is about $25,000. Again, I am going to graduate school, so later down the road it will bump up a little bit.
Yeah, that'll be more. It'll be great. But we don't have any credit card debt. We don't use credit cards.
We have credit, but we
don't use the credit cards. So our income combined is about $4,800, and then our expenses, like I've got my $40 phone.
We have $50 combined for the gym membership.
Yep. For gas, I have a take-home car, so I don't drive that much. The insurance, all our insurance combined is it's roughly $231 a month. My car payment is $313 a month.
So we don't pay for childcare.
Yep.
We have family members and friends who help out with babysitting. And also, fun fact, for your gym membership, you can get that through your insurance, and that helps out a lot as well. So you might want to do some research on that.
So we can go to any gym for $25 a month.
If we do go out to eat or anything like that, we spend about roughly $50 a month.
Probably,
for
if
food,
that, yeah.
Just for food.
Yeah.
Most of our money goes to food.
Yeah, pretty much all of our money goes to food. So we actually got this house only using my income. So hopefully in the next, 2 years, you'll be out of school.
But yeah, hopefully we will find a bigger house for all these dogs and any future kids that we may have. just for more space and storage and all of that. And again, we plan on renting out this current home just for some extra income.
Oh, we want to start our own for-profit charity.
Yeah.
That's right. It's
Still in the making.
Yep.
Hasn't really kicked off yet.
Yep.
Just literally just started on
yeah.
it.
It was a brainchild of mine back in like when I started 2016, 2017, and then it got put on the shelf, and now we're starting to take care of it.
We're getting
Right?
there.
Or no?
We're getting there. It's a slow process.
Yep. It'll be first responder love. That's what it'll be.